getting some gas. Like $2.99. It's misty, rainy today, and we're almost there. Well, good morning. We're in the Ouachitas, joined by Jacob with Eagles Overlanding. We're going to be doing something a little bit different today. Consider it a Christmas gift. Christmas is coming up, but this will be actually day 3. You're filming it kind of order of the Diamond State Sampler. So it'll start on the eastern side of the Ozarks, do 2 days in the Ozarks, and then come down to the Ouachitas and do 2 days down here as well. So this will be day 3 of that, and I'll be putting the GPX file up and the map and some information on that, on finding fuel down here and some spots. So stay tuned and we'll get you some of this information going. So ordinarily, that thing is running a little bit more water, but it's Arkansas, and it's been really dry. So that's what you get on this one. But hopefully, if you come by here, it'll be running a little bit better. Then it runs all down through here, and there's another smaller one up the hill there. What you think?
Hey, at least there's water running.
Right? This old house is pretty cool. Tell them when that thing was built. Graceful. One more time. So this would be super scenic off here to your right, but you can't see nothing because of the fog. But we still got a little bit of fog colors.
Great.
Yeah.
Just use your imagination.
Yeah, this isn't covering up or blurring anything out. It's just that foggy.
We're in the clouds.
Yep, that we are. But yeah, this is flat Side Pinnacle. Normally you'd be able to see all sorts of stuff out there, but it's a little foggy. but you'll have to use your imagination. So whenever you come and do this route, you can see it for yourself. Hopefully it won't be so foggy. I don't have my flip-flops on or my slides. Whoever always calls me out on that, I think it's Tony. Talking to you, Tony. So, we just finished flat Side Pinnacle and we're continuing on the trail. It's a nice little hike. I mean, you're talking like half a mile up and back. So, view's cool. Unfortunately, it's so foggy today that still didn't get to throw the drone up or take any good video. So, I think I have some that I'll throw in here and we're continuing on. You almost fall? It's not just me. What are we eating for lunch?
Well, let's just snack. Barbecue flavored Vienna sausages. Tony and Baker, I know you're watching. Try these, they're good.
I'll stick with my peanut butter sandwich for today. Also, for anybody wondering, Jacob's truck is a first-gen Tundra and two-wheel drive. So, if that truck can make it, a lot of stuff can. So, here we go. Video, but it's still fun. It's one of my favorite trails out here, by the way. So this water hole looks pretty deep, but it's not. It's got a hard bottom. That rock in it. Power line there. It's almost the end. Biggest one is at the end, and it looks big, it looks deep, but it's really not.
And what's coming back up into that box there?
This is going up to the Crystal Mountain overlook. It's a pretty neat spot. It's a little rough, but it's not terrible. They grade it every so often. So that's the view from Crystal Mountain. It's not much of anything. It's just foggy. It's all whited out. So that'll end it. Hope you enjoyed it. If you got any questions or comments, leave it down in the comments. I'll get back to you, but I'll have the GPX file up on the Diamond State Off-Road Facebook page here really soon. So check back there and hope you enjoy it. I also forgot to mention day 2 will end up in the Ozarks, and you could come down in the dark if you wanted and camp somewhere. That's why I marked a bunch of campsites along the way. But you'll have a transfer leg. You'll go across Interstate 40 and come down Highway 7 to get to the beginning of day 3. So it's kind of hit or miss on what you want to do there. But that's why I made this kind of day 3 section short. Day 4 will be a little bit longer, and you could even run this backwards. Do day 4 first, day 3, then go up to the Ozarks and run the Ozarks last if you wanted to. So it's really easy to break it apart and do day 1 and day 2 and then save day 3 and day 4 for another weekend. But so far it's pretty mellow for day 3, and then day 4 gets a little bit more technical with some more trails instead of gravel roads and whatnot. But the views are awesome. A couple trails here and there. Then you've got Lake Winona and a couple other little things going across the dam down there. So that's that.